Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to mark a bank account as inactive in Zoho Books. This is particularly useful when you want to keep an account in your records without it appearing in your active banking options, helping you maintain a cleaner, more organized financial workspace. First, open up a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your account without any delays. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Click on the Banking tab. This section is your central hub for managing all bank accounts connected to your Zoho Books system, and it's where you'll handle everything from transactions to account settings. Once you're in the banking section, you'll see a list of all your connected bank accounts displayed on the screen. Browse through this list and select the specific bank account that you want to mark as inactive. Simply click on it to open the account details page. This step is important because it ensures you're making changes to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple bank connections. With the account page now open, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot a gear icon. This icon represents the settings and configuration options available for that particular account. Click on the gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu containing various account management options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Mark as Inactive. This action tells Zoho Books that you no longer want this account to appear in your active banking list, though it won't delete any historical data or transactions associated with it. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to proceed with marking the account as inactive. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental changes. Go ahead and click Mark as Inactive in the confirmation window to finalize the process. And that's it. Your bank account is now marked as inactive in Zoho Books, keeping your active accounts list streamlined while preserving all your important financial records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.